I don't trust myself anymore. I've fallen deep into an empty well. This starts the well. I always get tears in my eyes when the choir sings, and there's a lump in my throat when the preacher preaches, and when I read aloud I get all shaken up. At night I can't stop thinking these thoughts. I know you don't believe a word I say, but I'm checking myself in today. I got a treacherous soul. I don't trust myself anymore. I'm gonna get clean, I'm gonna get clean, I'm gonna get clean for you, baby, somehow.
The brood of vipers living in a crab bucket like vampires see blood running and sucking until the well runs dry, or till the well once dies, and you won't go blind if you sell one eye. I trust the people, I don't trust the setup. You put cookies on a counter, even skinny kids will get up. And it's the ones that you don't expect, taking their children to church, living off a poor man's debt. It's not enough to bless the victim. We need to change a messed up system. See, band-aids don't cure, neither does a soup kitchen, so I quit with the distance. Take time to listen then. I know people making real changes, they're living selfless lives, getting no praises, cause words, they just cannot capture what good people do and what follows after.
I'm gonna get clean, I'm gonna get clean, I'm gonna get clean for you, baby, somehow.